Everybody of YouTube, I hope everyone's well, having a fantastic day. Today, I'm using some of these. I haven't used them yet because that's why they're still in there. Out of date today, I think. There you go, look. Stop. Out of date today. I've still got some streaky bacon, which I used this morning in a roll, and I've got some Yay old oldie oak, American style 6 hot dogs. Going to chuck all them in a frying pan. Ingredients. There you go. Look, found the ingredients first time. There's a first for me. Cooking instructions, see the quality and all of that spill. So some of them in a frying pan. Got a bit of Kerrygold in there. Going to chuck the bacon in there as well. Bacon and hot dogs, dinner tonight. The pan's on. So yeah, I might have 3 of them per roll with some streaky bacon, and I think I'm going to have 3 of each. Let's see what they taste like. What they come out like. How's everyone's day going? Might get another bit of bacon in there. Plenty of meat in there, eh? Okay. There it is somewhere. There you go. That'll do, won't it? It don't roll, does it? There you go, they're cooking. Bacon's doing its thing. There you go. Cut them down the middle. Full of hot dog. Lovely. There's the rolls, sort of. You can see them. If you can't, then there they are. Should be good. You'll like this, I think. Give it a go. A suggestion. Dogs are about there. Bacon's looking. Thanks for everyone who's liked the video and subscribed. All helps. And hopefully you enjoy the content. Trying the Polish sausages, I did notice that quite a lot of the people that viewed the video were actually Polish. Yeah, I don't know. Yeah, something like that. That might be alright. Right. Let's have a go, see if we can get him on there. Gonna fit. Sort of fits. I wonder how many people are screaming at it. No, don't do it like that. Look at that. There is but it's in shot, which is always good. So there it is, hot dogs and bacon. And I don't know if I'm going to attempt to cut it. Yeah, I might do, I suppose. I mean, it's not bad. Yeah. Let's have a go, shall we? Oh. There it is, hot dogs and bacon, a different sort of way. Hopefully you can see me, hopefully you can still hear me, which would be ideal if you can. But looks like I stuck my fingers through the roll. There's the roll. Bit of tomato sauce, I think, on this occasion. Big dollop of that. And yeah, I'll try and get a bit of sauce on there. There we go. I mean, yeah, might as well just tuck in, eh? So if you enjoyed the video, give us a like, and if you didn't, then watch the next one. Watch tomorrow. See you later, everyone. Bye bye.